Heavy metals exist all around us, hidden in our water, our food, household cleaning products, and even in the air we breathe in the form of pollution. Some of them are only dangerous in large quantities, while even trace amounts of others may be detrimental to our health when they find a way inside the human body. The 5 natural ways to rid your body of heavy metals are: 1. Replace Teflon non-stick cookware. Plastic and canned goods aren't the only kitchen items which deliver toxic metals into our cells. Teflon-coated pots and pans are another big category to be avoided. Replace these with ceramic, cast iron, or glass. 2. Switch to non-toxic cosmetics. Another common source of hidden heavy metals is something that many of us use every day: cosmetics. In order to cleanse your system of these toxic elements, you'll definitely want to toss the big-name makeups and pick up some metal-free replacements. 3. Avoid canned foods. Avoiding food that has been stored in a metal can should be a no-brainer for heavy metal detox. Still, canned goods are an everyday staple in most parts of the world, and you've probably been eating them for your whole life under the illusion that they're safe. If you want to cleanse your body of toxic metals, however, you'll need to avoid these foods. Opt for fresh produce whenever possible. Not only will you stop contaminating your body, you'll get more nutrients from fresh foods, too. 4. Stay away from BPA plastic. BPA plastic in particular is known to cause all kinds of health problems, including heavy metal poisoning. If your goal is to detox your system, it's best to avoid plastics altogether. Opt for glassware instead. Also, replace any plastic cooking utensils in your kitchen with silicone or bamboo. 5. Get a seaweed wrap. Not only are they great for your skin, a seaweed wrap delivers nutrients into your body while at the same time pulling toxins like heavy metals out. So these are the 5 natural ways to rid your body of heavy metals. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health-related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.